Hi again. We will continue with the restore. We have the clish commands and we have the clish commands and we have the export for the database, and now we will try to restore. So uh, I'm going to export the backup, system backup. This one, the export. And this one, the backup. The backup is excellent, but is working only if it's the same machine with the same version, with the same hotfix, and sometimes it doesn't work from my experience. It's complaining on something, so I will crash the machine, build new one, and we'll try to restore. So let's start. When this is done, I will shut down the GWM and I will create a new one. So I'm pausing till it's finished. Okay, it's downloaded. It's here in my laptop. I will do power off and we'll start a new machine. Let's give it a try. Power off. Now quickly, let's create new virtual machine. Okay. R7730, Red Hat, Linux 7, GWM, restore 333 split. Okay, 8 gig, 2 CPU, VMnet 1, VMnet 10, and NAT. That's it. Finish. Power on. Install. We'll continue with the installation. We'll configure on ETH1. We'll change the gateway later. That's it. Now we have to wait till it finishes the installation. Okay, the installation is complete. I will reboot and let's wait that the firewall, the new gateway is installed. Now we will continue with the first time wizard. 10553. Okay, it takes some time till it's worked. תנו לעבוד, יאללה כבר. First time wizard will configure the gateway. The next step is the hotfix. After the hotfix, I will copy and paste the relevant command. Then I will import the configuration that I just export from the old firewall. The last step is to do install, and we have the same firewall restored. So this is the first GWM gateway and management together FWM That's it. We just need to wait till it's finished and reboot it. Okay, the new firewall finished installing. I will import the file and we'll do all the rest via the console. I'm importing the file to the firewall import. I've uploaded all the files to the backup folder. Now I will continue with the console SSH. This is a new gateway, that's why we have the security alert. It takes time because there is no access to the DNS. Okay. Okay. Let's go to the folder. First of all, we need to install the deployment agent. Then install it. Now that the agent is stopped, now we will have to run it. Okay, now we'll start with the hotfix.